Meaning of front of house.
Front of house.
Front of house.
Front of house.
Front of house. Front of house is a term commonly used in the hospitality industry to refer to the public areas of a restaurant or hotel, where customers or guests are received and served. This includes the reception, lobby, restaurant, bar, and any other areas that are accessible or visible to the public. The front of house staff commonly includes hosts or hostesses, servers, bartenders, and other customer-facing personnel who interact with guests directly. Their goal is to provide a welcoming atmosphere, excellent service, and a pleasant experience for customers to ensure their satisfaction and loyalty.